Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with news about the dramatic resignation of House Speaker Marisa Dalrymple Philibert.
Mrs. Dalrymple Philibert is also stepping down as Member of Parliament for Southern Trelawney. Now, the developments come 2 days after she became embroiled in legal issues uncovered by the Integrity Commission.
Dwayne Anderson has been reading her statement and has this report.
Since the Integrity Commission has decided to charge me criminally for an omission, I have considered the damage this has done to my reputation and have decided to tender my resignation, both as the Speaker of the House of Representatives and a Member of Parliament for South Trelawney with immediate effect. End quote. The words of Marisa Dalrymple Philibert late Thursday afternoon, which sent shockwaves across the country. She has found herself in legal hot water over her failure to include a Benz GLA 250 motor vehicle in her statutory filings from 2015 to 2021. She was also facing pressure for her use of a government concession as detailed by the Integrity Commission's probe. As for the failure to include the vehicle in her filings, Mrs. Dalrymple Philibert said, quote, "I maintain the omission of the vehicle was a genuine oversight, as there would have been no allegation against my name had I included the vehicle in my declaration. Therefore, I had no motive to have deliberately omitted it." End quote. She also claimed that nowhere in the report has the Integrity Commission raised any question or concern about the source of funding for the vehicle, which was purchased through a loan from a bank. Additionally, she explains the vehicle was never sold or transferred to anyone in the past 7 years. Mrs. Dalrymple Philibert argues what has happened to her could have happened to any other Member of Parliament, public servant, or civil servant. Her decision to resign, she said, is voluntary and not at the request of anyone. End quote. Furthermore, she says she remains a member and supporter of the JLP, and more particularly to the Oldness administration. She concluded by stating she's looking forward to the trial of the matter for which the Integrity Commission has ruled that she be charged. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.